The leopard tortoise's Latin name is pardalis, meaning leopard, and it is named after the leopard-like spots that cover the carapace. We've all been told that slow and steady wins the race, but this isn't really true for the leopard tortoise. They have short and stumpy legs that point inwards, and they don't look much like animals built for speed, but they do have a trick up their sleeves. A row of little nails, perfect for gripping the ground, lines each foot. Of course, they aren't able to run around everywhere. It's largely dependent on temperature, and when the weather's good, they are able to move quite fast to escape predators. According to Guinness World Records, the fastest tortoise ever recorded was a leopard tortoise named Bertie, who could run 5.5 meters in 20 seconds.